Hello, kindergarten. Welcome back. Today we have Allie. She's going to help us do our ABC sounds, and then we're going to review some blends, and then we're going to introduce 2 new special sounds. So I'm going to have Allie pull a letter out one at a time, and we're going to hold it up to the camera. H says, put it down and grab another one, not on the computer. All right, the next one is A. A says A, or A says A. Good job. Get another one. The next one is, can you see it? Hold it up there. J. J says J. Hurry up. Get another one. Okay, the next one, I'll hold it. P. P says P. The next one is X. X says X. The next one is a V. V says V.
We have 2 H's.
No, it's an I. I. I says I, or I says I. O. O says ah, or O says O. L says O. Oh, you gotta be quiet. Y says Y. W says W. F says F. Hand them to me, Allie. And she's gone. That's about what you get. K says K. S says S. E says E, or E says E. Whoa. C says K. Q says Qu. R says N says N. T says T. U says or U says U. G says G. B says B. M says M. Z says Z. And D says D. D. Good job. All right, we are going to read this phonics video together, this phonics paper together. All right, ready? We're going to work on the D, G, S, T blends. Let's review our vowels. A, E, I, Let's read our sentences across, and then when you get to here, you can make up your own word. Da, ga, sa, ga. Let's go down here to the E. De, ge, se, sa. What's your word? Be, ge, si, da. Da. Da, ga, sa, ga. And then use is da, ga, sa, si. Good job making up words, kindergarten. All right, let's read our words. Dug, dug. Rig, rig. Sell, sell. Get, fad, fad. Rough, sam, God, sin. Good job. Now we have 2 special sounds to learn today, and the first one is twa, twa, like twins. Say it with me. Twa, twa, twa. Twins. Let's read some words. All right, ready? Twa, ig, twig. Twa, eed, tweed. Twa, eat, tweet. Tweet, tweet, said the bird. Twa, I, twine. Twa, ist, twist. Twa, elv, 12. Big word. Good job, guys. T says twa. Twa, twa, twa. The other special sound we're going to learn today is squa. So we have twa and squa. As in squeak. Squeak. Look, fell on his tail and he made a squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's read some words. Squa, id, squid. Now, there are two vowels here. You would think the first one is long, the second one is silent. But remember, the Q always has its friend U with it, so it does not count as a separate vowel sound. It goes together. That is your special sound, and then your vowel. So squa, id, squid. Squa, z, squeeze, and that's a silent E. Squa, l, squeal, like the pig will squeal if you pull its tail. Squa, k, squeak. Squa, int, squint. Might have to squint your eyes if it's far away to see. And then squa, sh, squish. Good job today. We will talk to you later. Bye.